Rodriguez. I am 20 years old, graduate of University of Caloocan City. I took a Bachelor of Science in Accounting Technology. I grew up in church. I was part of Kids Choir, and I also attended Sunday School and Vacation Bible School when I was a child. And now, currently, I am part of Children, Youth Ministry, and also the Small Group Ministry. I became a scholar of the Kapatid Ministry when I was about to enter college. My father's working that time. That's why my mother is the only person, or was the only one who's earning and helping us for our expenses. The Kapatid Ministry really helped us a lot, especially financially. I was able to buy my books in school, the necessary books in school, and also other school supplies that I really needed to attend school. It's very challenging for us. That's why I am very thankful and blessed that I am one of the chosen students to be their scholar. Now that I'm already graduated, I take this moment our chance to give back to my family, especially to my mother, and also to support my family and my sister who is still studying. I really thank God for your life. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you to my sponsor for always believing in me and supporting me to my studies until now. Now that I am graduated and currently employed as a accounting clerk in a construction company, I promise to give back and help others just like how you helped me. Thank you so much, and God bless.